The Illinois Department of Transportation, IDOT, pre-treated roads and bridges to prevent snow from bonding to the roadways. Plows could be seen clearing snow from the roads Friday evening, January 11. District 8 Operations Engineer Joe Monroe tells Fox 2 he will have all 202 trucks out on the roads helping to treat to clear the roads. IDOT will clear the main interstates and roads. Crews in municipalities and townships play an important role in treating and clearing outlying roads and subdivisions. St. Clair Township Highway Commissioner Jim Hursey said his 5-person crew put down about 75 tons of salt to prepare for the storm. Hursey estimates they will use nearly 200 tons of salt by the end of the weekend. Hursey's crew services about 58 miles of roadway. Plows hit the township roads around 10:30 p.m. Friday and will work through the weekend. Keep your vehicles off the main arteries because it makes it easier for the trucks to plow, said Hursey. The side streets are much more narrow than the highways are, so it's difficult for the vehicles to get down if you park your vehicles on the roadway. Illinois State Police said it has troopers on standby, but has not yet called in extra support.
ISPA's encouraging everyone to get home and stay there. If anybody's driven on the ice before, they know that's the most treacherous time to be on the road, so we're asking everybody to please stay home if there is going to be ice and snow tonight, said Trooper Josh Corando. If you have to drive tonight, if there is an emergency and you have to drive, please drive as slow as you can. Corando advises drivers who must travel to make sure their cell phone is charged and their gas tank is full. He recommends driving slow and taking it easy on the brakes